grew up on this ride. I've been riding it every time. Like anytime I come to Busch Gardens, I make this a priority every time. I always make this ride a priority because you never know when the ride's gonna close. It's like 33 years old right now, and as you can see, the roar is still good, and I'm gonna miss that roar. And I can't believe today is the last day, but you know what? I just guess it's time to move on. I'm looking forward to the next ride. Have you seen the big old box over there? So it's big. Everyone thinks it's going to be a giga coaster. It's like whatever. It could be a good coaster. If it is, then fine. Let it be a damn giga coaster. But I know it's going to be something huge to replace this. It got to be. It got to be. So I'm going to miss the ride, and hopefully, you know, they replace it with something that befits the name Kumba.
Platform clear. Dispatch.
Alright, y'all. Final ride on Kumba.
Yes! And it's raining! It is raining! Touch the grass? Where? Where'd he go? Wow, I didn't touch it. I just had a hair in my mouth. That's all I got.
That was good.
Yeah. That was so good.
Oh my god. That was like.
Alright, if I didn't, you would have been
Shit. That was better than Hulk.
I love it.
Better than Hulk.
I agree. No, I think it is better than the Hulk too.
Yeah, I agree.
When do you think the Hulk's gonna shut down?
They retracted not too long ago.
No?
Probably never.
That's a shame.
Baby, you were on the pulse of every roller coaster.
And now we sing. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. I don't know where the road is going to lead. All I know.
Oh my god, it's hotter than shit right now.